This is the first NACS PEI show since the integration of the UPP brand to Franklin Fueling. So, Andrew, what's new here?
Well, we're excited to introduce to the market the Gemini series secondary containment fitting. And what's special about the Gemini fitting is that it provides full 360-degree secondary containment. But the real special thing about Gemini is that we've reduced the number of welds required to seal it, which in turn makes installation a lot easier and quicker.
I understand that you're launching a completely new product here today at the show. So what is this all about?
We're very excited today to launch a TS550 Evo fuel management system. It truly is fuel management evolved. We've started really working on how do we make a tank gauge as intuitive as possible for the user. Not only are we making it intuitive for the end technician, but we've also spent a lot of time working on, is it going to be right for the store clerk? Is it going to be right for the station manager? We've spent a lot of time making sure that we've built all the features in that our customers are asking for.
And the Omni nozzle you're exhibiting here, is that a product for the American market?
Well, actually, the Omni Series vapor recovery nozzle that we're getting ready to launch here is fully in line with all EN standards. And it's, for the European type market, what the customers are looking for. We've packed all those features into this nozzle. It's got the same look and feel that they're accustomed to, and we've also packed a little bit of innovation inside of this as well. It makes it easier to test and just all around a nice nozzle.
So, Albert, you're the products manager for the new Applause TV that Gilbarco is exhibiting here at the show. What are the benefits of having this system?
Well, Applause TV is our 4-core digital marketing solution. What we found through research is only a quarter of the people who fuel actually come into the store. What that translates is into a huge marketing miss. All those people who are not coming to the store, Applause TV wants to drive them into the store to make those higher margin purchases. So what we do is we've partnered with Outcast Media, which is our content provider, and they provide to stores, to store retailers, all sorts of ads, entertainment, relevant content that will drive people into the store to make those higher margin purchases.
Is this system marketed outside the U.S. as well?
No, it's currently marketed in the United States, just in the United States, with eyes for expansion the next few years.
So this is a system for mobile phone payments. Can you tell me how it works?
Sure, absolutely. The world is really going towards more convenience for the customer and the retailer being able to reach the customer. This is a way that a customer can start a transaction and pay. The dispenser recognizes that I'm here just by tapping my mobile phone, and it's going to recognize who I am and have my loyalty information here. And so it's going to be a really targeted approach. It knows who I am, it knows my past purchase behavior, and the retailer is going to be able to send me targeted ads.
And is that product marketed outside the U.S.?
Today, we are going to be launching it in the United States, but this is something that is already in use internationally in a lot of different atmospheres, whether at the forecourt or in the store. In a lot of ways, the U.S. is catching up to the rest of the world on contactless technology and NFC technology.
I understand that there have been some innovations in your Passport point-of-sale system. So what are these exactly?
Sure. The innovations that we have in our Passport point-of-sale system are in 3 different areas. First area is EMV and mobile payment, where Passport actually supports these. Second is in loyalty and promotions, and one of the things that I'll show you today is the ability to do suggestive selling with Passport. And the third one is our remote management capabilities for the ability of a retailer to manage their point-of-sale system remotely so they don't actually have to go on site. But one of the things I'm most excited about is an innovation that allows a retailer to actually make a lot of money by actually getting their consumers to actually take advantage of all the other combo offers by having a system that not only has an interaction touchscreen for the actual consumer, but also offers the cashier an interactive display that gives them the scripting that they need to actually get consumers to actually buy additional Skittles or additional Coke.
Keith, there's a lot going on here at the OPW booth, but can you just highlight some of the new products you're exhibiting?
Certainly. There's 2 things that we're featuring here at the show today. And first, as part of our underground business, we're featuring a rigid entry fitting, which is part of our FlexWorks offering. And what this product does is eliminates the need for a rubber boot and is completely self-contained in a hard fitting, which addresses some of the key concerns that some customers have had with regards to flexible pipe. And secondly, we're featuring a recent announcement. We've got a relationship with FuelQuest, And so what they're doing is, they have a fuel management product which helps people, better control and manage their fuel logistics as well as their supply chain.
Can you give me an update on the TVS system which was launched at Automechanica last year? So do you have any installations in place already?
Of course. Thanks for asking, Sandra. Yes, we're very excited to announce that, since the announcement at Automechanica, we've installed over 50 systems, and we have a significant backlog of new orders as well. And all these systems are installed over multiple countries across the entire continent of Europe. So thanks for asking. Yes, we're very excited.
At the last NACS PEI, PDQ was exhibiting their laser wash machine. Today is all about friction car wash. So what's exactly the difference?
Well, traditionally we do show the laser wash product, and that's our touch-free high-pressure car wash. This year we thought we'd change it up a little bit and go with our friction machine, the tandem wash. What's unique about our wash here is it's a 2-brush machine versus a typical traditional 5-brush machine. The principle behind that is that less friction on the machine, lower impact on the customer in the vehicle, which is just an overall better wash experience. We also have high-pressure side cleaners on the machine, and as you can see over the counter, there are wheel scrubbers to get the wheels and the tires clean. So the complete vehicle is cleaned by the 2 brushes and the tire brush.
Last week we have interviewed Henry Armour, the president of NACS. This week we are with Bob Rankers, president of PEI. So how has the show been so far?
Well, we've been really happy with our show. We've got increased attendance by about 3%. Exhibits are up about 4%, so Chicago's done real well for PEI members.
And what are the main issues that PEI members are dealing with at the moment?
We're talking a lot about regulations in the United States that increased amount of ethanol, some ultra-low sulfur diesel issues that our industry's experienced, getting rid of the stage 2 vapor recovery, which is coming on in Europe right now, and some other management issues to help our members just be better business people.
Next year we'll be going to Las Vegas. So when will the next PEI be next year?
October 7 to 10, Las Vegas, 2012. It's our best venue. We get more attendees, particularly internationals from outside the United States, and so we look for an increased attendance over this good one and increased exhibit booth buys.
We look forward to seeing you next year then.
Thank you very much.